What are you doing? Nova? What are you doing? You know you have like a pile of toys here, right?
Nova. Down. Yes, good girl. Good girl. You're such a good girl. Stay right there. Nova. Down. Nova. Down. Yes, good girl. I taught her that. You're such a good girl. You're such a good girl. Nova.
I didn't even get a chance to say it. As soon as I ducked down. I shouldn't have ducked down. That's my fault. I did the physical cue first. Yeah, now you're just gonna follow me. Here, go get Shelby. Get nice and distracted. Nova, come. Yes, good girl. Good girl. We're working on it. You're doing good. If I duck down, though, you automatically come to me, which is great, but command, then physical cue. I paired it by accident. Good girls. Nice and distracted. Nova, come. Yes, good girl. Good girl. Yeah. Very good. No. Sit. Yes. I didn't get that one. Oh, I'm going to get this one, though.
Yes, peppermint tea is caffeine free. It's nested in a great choice for people who want to enjoy a flavorful and invigorating cup of tea without the stimulating properties of caffeine.
It's for yes. And then it says caffeine free. Very misleading.
Your head in his mouth.
Well, then you get your letters and ask the letters.
What letters?
The chat letters.
I thought there was going to be a big
But I
mess.
think that if there's no caffeine in it, then that's my problem.
Right there. Good girl.
I think that was her.
Freaking dumb girls.
You have to drop your hand when you say down, you know. She knows that now.
Oh, keep going. Keep going. No. treats do you have?
That's a good one.
Down. Okay. Over. Over. Yes, go girl.
You just reward when she does it back like that.
Girl. Yes. Good girl. Good girl.
Going back? You going back?
Good girl.
Good girl.